So guys, today we have a unboxing of a DJI MIC Mini with two microphones and one receiver. Looks like this, and in a second we will see what's inside the box. This is how the box looks. There is something more. Here we have my beautiful microphones from DJI. Okay. The package looks and feels very good made. Even the plastic, this plastic, it feels very pleasant. It's a good quality plastic. Let's say that can be reused for some specific things. Okay, here we have the beautiful pouch, and inside I will get the microphones. Okay, so should there one more? No, here are two. No. Should be four, but there are only two. Okay. No, there are four. Okay, great. So here we have four windshields, and oh, they are so sleeky. Okay, here is the cable. Perfect. The cable, two cables. One is to charge the thing, we'll see in a minute, and the other one is to connect the receiver to the camera. So we have this, and we have it's not very easy to open them. And this is the I don't know how you call this. What's the name of this thing? But yeah. So the moment press to unlock after the sticker. Okay, so press to unlock like this. Oh wow. They instantly make not sound but light, and this cable should go inside here. Actually, it's made for this, and it's perfect to go. And also a couple of these, only two are going inside also. So let's see what we have here. We have two microphones. One and two microphones, very cute, with magnets. The magnets are turning. Okay, the magnets are turning. So we have it's even smaller than I thought. It's smaller. So cute. Oh my goodness, it's very small. So this is the receiver, and the two microphones. And on top of it will go, this has this stuff inside. It's like a plastic mount, and will go on top of the microphone here. Yeah. What's the correct side? Is this. So with this, I have to read the instruction, but and how to take it off now. Probably just like this. Yes, just like this. On and off. So, one microphone and another microphone. These are for outside, the fluffy things. For inside, it's only if you blow on the microphone, but otherwise it's not needed. I like that they are very small. This is the plus that is with this microphone. So here, this one should be for the smartphone connection. Should be going here, like this. No, like this. And it's very, very tight, actually. And to the smartphone, like this. It doesn't show anything on the smartphone, but probably should be paired before with the microphones. I have to read the instruction. This is the unboxing, and here we have the connectors inside, like the connectors that will connect to this base. Each microphone and the receiver has these connecting things. And this should be also like this inside. Didn't connect. Maybe it's not. Yeah, this is the right thing. They're so small. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, and here we go. This doesn't show the light. Okay, so probably because the light is in one side. The other side should be probably for the connection itself. Yeah, that's good. How not to lose this one? Maybe. This is for the iPhone, for example, but it's going inside. Yeah, it's going inside. Not perfect, but it's going. So, like this and like this. And we have this pouch. Very beautiful pouch. I love it. It's very, very good quality. And everything feels so premium, actually. It feels good in the hands, and even to look at the products. Feels so very, very well made. Pairing mode on off, noise reduction is written here inside, some things to know. TX, TXRX. Okay, now I have to. This is everything from the box. Yeah. And now I have to study the manual. We have also some stickers here. I love stickers. So it's a good thing that they put stickers inside. I don't know what type of sticker is this. It's like for the DJI. This is for the gimbal with the camera, but I don't understand how it relates to the microphones. I mean, the sticker itself, because these microphones can be paired with all the DJI products like the Insta, all the others. I never use them, so I don't know much how they name it, but it can be paired and it works with these products. But why the sticker here? I don't understand. Anyways, time to read the manual. We have here in English, hopefully. It's in English and in Chinese. That's good. Great. Yeah, here is the Insta, Osmo Pocket, Osmo Action. Not Insta, Insta is from another product, from another brand, but... Okay, so I will study the manual and I will make some test how this works, how they sound and how they connect to the camera. Let's go!